Hey guys, it's your boy, Epic Gamer. Today is another beautiful day in the neighborhood. But today, I was thinking, why not start a hardcore series? Boom. Okay, let's create this world. What should we call it? I have an idea. Oh, that's T. The epic world of epicness. Hardcore, create new world. So, how's you guys' day going? Okay, alright. So, yep. Alright. So, there we go. Let us see this beautiful world. Sir, could you not point that at me? Go away. How dare you? That's a little laggy. Oh. Give it a second. Alright. Let's take a look at this new, beautiful world. Oh my gosh, can you be any louder? I will punch you. Thanks for the wool, bro. And the meat. Kill. 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 Now kids. In the real world, don't kill sheeps. Kill cows instead. Yes. I hear another fluffy white sheep that needs to die. Thank you. Let's go grab us some wood. Birch or oak? Oak. Dip-a-dip-dip-a-dip-booba shib-a-dap. Shib-a-dap-dip-bop. Sh-a-bop-dap-bop. Shib-a-dap-bop-dip-bop. Shib-a-dap. Alright. I'm guessing you guys don't want to hear my singing anymore. Let's just break these logs. Regs the logs. Give me your logs. And I will be happy. Break. Thank you. Break. There we go. Alright. So, if you guys want to see more of moi, give this video a like and subscribe. Turn that bell icon on. You're gonna need it to survive. Still gonna keep breaking. Bada bing. And bada boom. Okay, let's build a house. Thank you, Mr. Apple. Ooh, there's a brown sheep. But I'm going to leave it be, because it's so beautiful. Witness the brown sheep's life as it wanders through the wilderness. It just sits there, gracefully looking at the water. Let's see what we have in our inventory. Mutton, wood, apple. How'd you teleport the most mystical of all sheep? Give me sugarcane. Let's make a house. Where to make? Is that a cactus? I think I see a cactus. Is this a desert? It is a cactus! Oh, it's a whole desert. Let's live in the desert. Oh, let's live Oh, I hear a zombie. Hello, Mr. Cactus. Thank you. Run! Run! Ooh, cows. Leather. I can make myself a green booties. Boots. I know what I said. It's not what I meant. Come, cows. Let us frolic together while I punch you in the face. Oh. Punch. 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 Where'd you go? You are so confusing. Stop running. Accept your death. Accept. Shh. Hush now, Bessie. Wander freely. Okay. Hello, Sir Bacon Bits. That's what I will call you. Succumb! Jeez, you're fast. Get over here. Just die. Just thank you. Thank you for your meat and hides. Wait, what time is it? It's okay. You. Thank you. Okay, let's make a house. Or... Ooh, I have an idea. Underground fort! Underground fort! Underground fort! Okay, I'm done. Let us make our wooden planks. Ooh, just enough for a crafting table. I do say so. Okay, where to put the crafting table? Just break, break. Boom, 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 boom. There. Make me a pick. A pick on a stick. Yeah, I don't have anything else that rhymes with stick and pick. Pick stick. Spick. Ooh, Stone Age. The Stone Age. So what's next? Iron Age? Then Copper Age? Of course, not the Copper Age, because there's no copper in Minecraft. So, yes, we're just gonna hollow this out a little bit. Prick. 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 Almost done. Almost done. I hear the breathing of a cow. A cow who... Oh, hi, Mr. Cow. It's okay. I'll take good care of you. Thank you. Hit and run. Run. Run like your life depends on it. The door. Make the door. Making a door. I can make boots. But not yet, because I need to make a door. There we go. There we go. And it's the way we go. Okay, I'm done. Furnace time. Make. There we go. There we go. Oh, I can make a bed. I almost forgot. Almost forgot. How dare I? Gotta work on my brain matter. You know what I mean. Let's do that. this. Boom. Boom. That was easy. There. Kind of want to hollow this out a little bit more, so I don't end up in the wall suffocating to death. No one likes suffocating. You can ask anyone that. You'll get the same answer. Just almost done. And that's grass, so I'm not going to break that. Still grass. Let's go to bed. And it's not nighttime yet. I will also make my bed green, but not... There we go. Hey, the achievement, Sweet Dreams. Yay. Let's go find some more cactus. Wait, let's put the first bit of cactus in the oven. Let it cook. Put the doors in there. I don't need any doors. I've already got one. The last couple, before 1.12, I think it was like in 1.8 or 9, you would use 6 wood just for one door. But now they've upgraded it so that you didn't see that. You saw nothing. Yes, I'm at 10%. I don't care though. I can make the video. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Almost there. Okay. Ooh, play. Keep going. We're marching on. Marching on. Got another little... Is this a lake or... it's... I don't know what to call it. More of like a small river that ends up... you're still not seeing anything. Let's just get back to the house. Let's make the green dye. Get this over with. Good. Alright guys, that's gonna be about it, so, because I gotta plug in the computer, blah blah blah, whatever. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video about 10 likes, and we will continue the series. So, yes, put a big fat like, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Oh, and you can look at my inventory. It's nice. Nice and pretty.